Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create these fun Billie Eilish inspired nails. I'm a really big fan of Billie, I love her music and I think she's so talented, so I'm going to show you how to create 5 designs inspired by her signature color scheme. And also if you would like to check out some more celebrity inspired nail art designs that I've done, you can click the card on the top right hand corner of your screen where you can watch the playlist. And if you have any suggestions for the next celebrity nail art I should recreate, just let me know in the comments. Billie's signature color combo is green and black, so for this nail art look I just painted my ring finger with 1 coat of this amazing black and then 2 coats of this fun green polish. On my pinky I painted this checkerboard pattern, so towards the middle of my nail I painted 2 vertical parallel lines. Then as I went down my nail, I painted 3 horizontal lines and I tried to space them out as evenly as possible. With a smaller nail art brush and some black nail polish, I'm just filling in every other square, and you could also use a dotting tool or a toothpick for this. Since we are using black nail polish and it is prone to smearing your nail art, make sure that you wait for everything to dry completely before you add your top coat. On my ring finger, I just did some dots, and since we're doing them over a black base, you'll want to first outline your dots with white nail polish. Once the white dots are dry, you can go in with the green polish and just dot over the white ones. This will make sure that the green really pops over the black. Again, wait for everything to dry completely and then apply your top coat. I think the flame design has to be my favorite out of all 5 of these, and it's actually pretty easy to create. So all you need to do is take a small nail art brush and some black nail polish and just make these wavy lines, making sure that they connect at a point at the top. Then just fill in the empty space with the black nail polish, and that's seriously it. And like I said, I'm really impressed with how these turned out for how easy they were to create. For this design, I did the Blush logo, which is Billie's clothing line. So for this logo, I just used a dotting tool to create the head, and then I'm just kind of outlining the body with my small nail art brush and black nail polish. I don't really know how to best describe this, so I'll just let you watch this and see me create it. This final design are these super easy half and half nails, so I just had my nails already painted with 2 coats of green nail polish, and then I used the brush of my black nail polish to fill in half of my nail. And that's seriously it, super simple. Here's a finished design, and I actually ended up mattifying this look, so I added a matte top coat on top of my glossy top coat. But before you add a matte top coat, you still want to use a regular top coat because this makes sure that your manicure lasts longer and prevents your nail art from smearing. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're a fan of Billie Eilish, let me know what your favorite song is in the comments. I don't know that I can pick a favorite, but 2 that I'm really into right now are Copycat and My Strange Addiction. I really love her music. It's completely different than the normal stuff that I listen to, so you'll have to let me know if you're a fan and if you like her music. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!